Hello guys, another video on this channel analyzing the native PHP website source code, which is available for free on GitHub for us to analyze and learn from. And topic of today is this menu sidebar but cached. So previously on this channel we talked about how that menu item sidebar is built with get navigation and get page properties, but today I want to quickly emphasize cache remember here and cache remember here. In my opinion, this is one of the most typical use cases for caching in Laravel. So the main thing to understand is this list of menu items is rarely changed. It is built from markdown files here in the resources views folder, and the contents of those files may change if the documentation is updated, but the menu items, the navigation is rarely changed. So it makes perfect sense to cache that for a day, for example. So we get all that navigation and we do cache remember for a day. And also below it is used for caching page properties. Page properties in this case are parsed from markdown file, adding version, page path, table of contents, and a few more things, including that navigation in HTML format with Spatie package. So in this case they cache both, and both are simple structures like collections and strings. And also, have you noticed an interesting thing? Cache flush if the environment is local. So if in your .env file you have app.env local, these lines of code will mean that locally you don't have any cache, which makes sense for testing. But on production and staging environment, the menu items will be cached for a day. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you, just really practical example of caching in Laravel. What do you think? Would you have done something differently? Let's discuss in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.